In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your payment information from Google Chrome. So if you have a saved credit or a debit card on the Chrome browser, and every time you go to pay for something, it's using this autofill data, I'm going to show you how we can go and remove that completely. So all you need to do is click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side of your browser, and then you can scroll down and click on settings. In the left hand side, select autofill and passwords, and then you'll have the option for payment methods. Now, if you don't see this option here, you can always use the search box and you can just go and search for the word payment, and right at the bottom you should see payment methods and you can click on it from here. Now, there's going to be a couple of different options here. So what you can do is actually turn off save and fill payment methods, and this will just stop saving your credit card information altogether. Now, if you want to keep this turned on but you want to remove an individual payment method, maybe it's outdated or you just don't want this information being collected, then you can scroll down to the list of different cards. You can click on the edit button next to this, and then we can just come down to the button that says remove and click on this like so. You can then just press the remove button, and that's going to remove this as a payment method from your Google account. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.